Secondly, the amendment ordinance introduces concept of best interest requirements on a broad-based principle. It is anticipated the IIA will in due course issue further guidance in terms of codes of conduct or in terms of guidelines to the insurance sector, so as to help them understand what really would be required to discharge this particular duty to act in the best interest of the clients, and hopefully some practical suggested solutions as to how to tackle any possible type of conflicts of interest. And once these guidelines are issued, we certainly recommend the insurers and agents concerned to comply with the codes of conduct or guidelines that will be issued. The reason I'm saying this because code of conduct and guidelines issued by regulators are generally admissible in court and evidence when a particular provision of any codes and guidelines of the insurance sector becomes relevant to a question before the court. The court can make reference to actual compliance or non-compliance of that particular provision when determining a question before it. So it is actually quite important to comply with the codes of conduct and guidelines to be issued. Again, right now we don't know what the details will be and how much detailed guidelines will be provided by the insurance authority, but we certainly recommend insurers and agents to take a close look at the guidelines when they are issued and formulate compliance programs so as to help and facilitate compliance from the insurer's point of view as well as on part of the agents.